Yes, I think I do. I'm gonna go ahead and change my output to that handsome fella right there. Actually, you know what? I want to bring that down just a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back. I've been off the audio is fine. Let me get a little bit louder. All right. I think the song's over, anyways. Good morning, good morning. Or if it's morning where you're at, right? It's 6:30 in the morning over here, and we are ready to continue with our coding. I guess I don't really need this open anywhere. So let's get right to it. But actually, you know what? I do like having it open somewhere. There we go. So I'm going to put that window on my iPad. So my iPad turned on. That it is. Let's send that sucker over there. There it is. Access that beautiful thing. Yep. There it is. Sweet. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, I'm down, bro. Alright, I'm down. Hey, how's the mic to music? Bring the music down just a little bit for my own ears. How's the music to mic ratio? Good, good, good. Yeah, so what's the challenge you got for me, sir? My turn. Oh shit. Let's go ahead and CD back one time. And let's go ahead and make a directory and call it, I don't know, any quote for this one? Coding challenges list. There it is. Coding challenges PDF. Why is it a PDF? Going to reverse a string and a function to remove spaces. Okay, fair enough. First, let me see what the hell happened here. Oh, PDF is a folder. Yeah. Touch. What day is it today? 2022. I like the military notation better. It's 021, 25 Feb 22. That JS. Ah, damn it! I put it in the wrong place. Oh. CD into coding challenges, and then in here do the touch. Wait. Damn it! Wrong place again. That's all good. Oh no, that's the right place. Sweet. All right. Create make that text bigger. A function to reverse a string and another to spaces. On that card. We zoom in on that. Okay. View. Thank you, sir. I mean, they have to zoom everything in, but whatever. I'll take it. All right. You know what? I want to use. Do I want to use Python or JavaScript? What are you doing? Python or JavaScript? JavaScript, right? Fair enough. Been a while. Wow. Function. Reverse. With the. I put in a string here. I think I do like open brackets, right? Looks like a function to me. Things I needed to do. I needed to. Oh, I'm listening. I needed to. Put string into an array. Reverse the array. And then stringify again. 3 easy steps. Or are they? We'll bring down the volume just a little bit. Ooh, man, my neck is killing me. All right. What is this? Split, splice, string into array. JavaScript. Okay, so array, except maybe no preset methods, except maybe concat. Oh, so no split, nothing like that. I can still use split. I mean, that's preset method is like something that actually. No sir, no split. But if I don't use split, how do I divide split a string? Let me see. I guess split is doing it somehow, isn't it? Okay. All right. All right. Well, then the first thing I'm gonna do is stand by. Just reverse the string, right? Yeah, I don't need the array, but I don't know how to reverse it without an array, anyways. I could just Google it, but I guess that kind of defeats the purpose, wouldn't it? Oh, first things first, I suppose. Print. I think print works for this. Can't remember. Print a string. Just break it down to little baby steps, huh? There we go. Reverse. Hello. World. How to open up the terminal? Terminal. Yeah, update that sucker. Wonderful. Seller. Like here. And then let's go ahead and execute. 25. That. 2. Well, I don't know how to run that shit. Gotta do something else here. To iterate through a string. Then I gotta go use the internet. That's fine. Expect it's a live server. Talk about being out of practice. I'm looking up how to iterate through a string. No matter how I rack my brain, I'm not gonna find it. character app, maybe. 5 followers. Oh, I think I remember how to do this. Time out.
Here's our duck.
Views.
This is a pecking duck. So, two main things to keep in mind when selecting a duck. You like to have it head on, makes it easier to hang, as well as you need to select the duck with
Can I do that right? Let me see some.
like right here, that's a good example. You can actually see through it down to the meat. If there's too much fat, the skin is not going to be crispy.
Oh, it's slash. Just a single slash. Give me a second here. Let me block this guy. That bot. So slash timeout. Views underscore. I don't know if that worked. Oh yeah, there you go. Dynamount. Hey bro, as a moderator, bro, I'm gonna need you to do that. Anytime somebody goes in there, especially trying to sell something, usually by you do slash timeout, then their username. If you don't do any duration, it'll do 600 seconds. And if you don't do no reason, then don't do no reason. Basically just timeout and their name. Alright, back to this. Let us iterate. Iterate usually means 4 loops.
That's how you make incredible Peking duck at home. Juicy breast and crispy, delicious back skin. With a little patience and a lot of love, you can serve your friends a delicious feast.
What is this? Live share. Ah, very cool. I didn't even know that was a thing. How could can I open it up in Visual Studio Code? What does that look like? Bear with me, my friend. Oh, okay, I see something here. I will join you. Studio code shared. Okay, just continue as anonymous, bro. Damn. I am the guest user. Yes, it is I. The URL that you want to collaborate with. Okay. He has sent that to me. I don't know if you're showing me something, but as you can see, I see nothing. I should delete your folder. Oh, doesn't even give me that power. Well, you have to sign in. Oh my goodness. Yes, continue. Yes, I authorize the thing. Finger authorization to cover token. Switch back to the paste the token head. Copy. Okay. Click signing into GitHub in the status bar. Where does it say? Yeah. Paste the token, hit enter. Alright, now I have now signed in. And I'm now looking for. I can begin editing. Okay, sweet. Can I like see this? I don't know if you have anything in here. Any outlines? No. No. Negatory. What do I do now, senpai? I don't exactly see. It's telling me to click on the sign to get to GitHub, the status bar, paste the token in there. Oh no, it's supposed to do automatically. Okay, cool. So it did automatically. I just don't really, see your code. Click on last share again. Nothing, mate. I can just end it. I'm just gonna close the studio code and try again. I'm gonna try copying your thingamabob again. And I'll open that up. Here we go, live share. Oh, what is this? Get lens. Oh, very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and join a session here. Is that the same session? Yes, it is. Alright, I have joined once again, Maestro. Bring the volume down just a little bit again. Reverse string. Alright, cool. Oh, that's the abbreviation for string. Of course it is. Are we working? I am, bro. Are you? That's a real question. So we need to iterate through the string. All right. Okay. Is iterate always means for loops. Okay. Are you gonna show me, or you want me to do it? Is that why you just left it like that, or what are you doing? Okay, gotcha. That's it. More while loops. Right. Go ahead. Do it. Oh, what a good teacher. You see this? Now do it. I'm gonna draw a cat. First you draw one ear, and then you draw the rest of the cat. Alright. So, looks like I'm gonna have to pull up the old how to do a for loop on Java on JavaScript. Stand by, bro. I just need to see the. Okay, there you go. I got it. Ri equals. That's not. That's a dash. I equals 0 colon, right? Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be less than the string dot length. It's coming back to me, man. It's coming back to me. I plus plus. And now within that for loop, I'm gonna do a thing where let's list out each one. For console.log I. Well, I is just a number. String. Alright, yeah. Let's just do that. Let's see how that works. Oh, can we do like a console log? Can we get another window going here? Can I do HTML with this? How do you recommend I print these things? There's no way to print it in the file, right? Or in a terminal, is there? I mean, otherwise I could open it up in my own file, I suppose. Right, no biggie. No biggie. What do you recommend me teach? Just run the code. Alright. I need to call in the function, alright? Let's do reverse Jadiel. Whoa. 4D4. Alright, so we did that. Boom, boom. We saved, right? Yeah. And then it doesn't let me do anything on your terminal, my friend. Makes sense, I guess. Oh, that's a tomato. Tomato. I'm gonna do this on my own here. This is taking too long. I don't see another thing in your terminal, by the way. So if you're writing there, I do not see it. String needs. Alright then, mate. Eso lo de menos. I still can't write nothing on the terminal, that's what you're saying, bro. And I can't run the code either. That's not an option that shows up for me. Go to outputs. Alright. And I still can't type nothing in there. Feel so pudgy. Man, live share is no fun. Is there? Can I open up just a new window? New window, yeah. Cool. So I put the live share on this other screen over here, and I'll open up my own code over here. So that way I can at least still see what you're doing. Can you run code on yours? Let's fix this shit here. First, iterate through string. Reverse output. And console login. Cool. And you're saying should have done FaceTime. Too bad that boat is sailed now. Just kidding, bro. You can still call me, bro. I'm gonna skip this song. This playlist got some bangers, but it also got some weird ones. I ain't gonna flex on you. Let's do a for loop. I guess it's no indentation for functions. For I or var I equals 0, I is less than string length. And as we're doing this, now remembering that, yeah, strings do have lengths, and you can console log that and all that. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Alright, and in here I'm gonna console.log the string I. I'm gonna change that to be something else here in a little bit. Boom, and then boom. And so I guess I have to create an HTML file. Oh no, you said I could just run the code, no? Run that code. You run that freaking code. Alright, cool. It has been ran, and it has now printed it all out. And if I print a space and I run it again, let's run Control Option N. Let's try it. Sweet. Did it print a space? Well, I didn't save it. And there's a space. Okay, great. So the way I'm going to do it, and you let me know there's a shortcut for it, right? I'm now going to grab each item, put it into an array, and then each new item I'm going to append it. No, sorry, prepend it in that array, so that it gets placed on in there backwards, and then I print that. Right? So let's give it a whirl. No prepend? But that's just a regular function. Alright. No job is ever gonna tell me we don't want you to use no shortcuts here, Junior. But I hear you though. We gotta know how to do this thing. Okay, so no prepend. So I now have iterating through it. It is only counting up. I can't make it count down. And I don't want to Google this, so show me, bro. Show me. As I think about it. Can you make it count backwards? Does I minus work? Let me do something, bro. You just gave me an idea. Stand by. So make I equals a string length, right? I has to be less than string length, and it has to be greater than 0. Actually, because I'm counting down here, it has to be greater than 0, and then I minus. Save. What did I just do? Oh, I kind of got it. Except I missed the H. Oh, you're doing the exact same thing, huh? This guy. Yeah, it worked, except it missed the H and it started somewhere else. So what if I do string length minus 1? see how that works. Oh no, it has to be greater than or equal to 0. Oh, let's just say less than, greater than -1. That's what it is. Save. There it is. Deloro. Ole. Ole. That's hello world backwards. That's wonderful. Yes, it does. I is less than or equal to 0. Okay, I'll do that. Yes, boy. Yes, boy. Dude, are you caught up with Attack on Titan, bro? It's nuts. Alright, I said we got extra viewers. I don't want to spoil nothing. What's up, extra viewers? So we are working on our portfolio for Shopify, but first, before we start the day, we decided to do some practice problems, you know, challenge that old noggin, get the coding juices flowing. So that's what we're doing here. We just reverse the string without using anything like splits or anything like that. Not yet, bro. Watch it. Watch it. It's bonkers. Alright, cool, bro. And what was your other challenge? It was gonna do a challenge. He said yes. We're gonna reverse a string and a function. Oh, and a function to remove spaces. Okay. Without using pre-made functions. Okay. So here we got another function. I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't want that printing every single time. I kind of like the naming convention you're using, so I'm gonna do that too. Name that reverse string. I think dash is a better convention. There you go. Reverse string. Boom. So in here. No, that's fine. Reverse. It don't matter. Save that. Make a new file. Think if statement. Yes, sir. And this is going to be move spaces. .js. And here, function called remove space. I'm gonna just remove. Keep it simple. String. Wham bam, here comes Pam. Alright. And so first things first, recipes Uncle Phil. First thing I'm gonna do is iterate through string. And I'm going to already iterating through it. For this one, I am going to put it into an array. So, using if statement, put only, I'll leave my typing, letters to an array and print array. All right, let's give it a shot. I'm not gonna be looking at your comments yet, sir. I want to give it a shot. All right, so we got the string. What do we want to do to the string? Let's go ahead and start a for loop for variable I equals 0. I is less than the string dot length, and I plus plus. Let's see, you're right. Oh no, I don't know if you're writing. And then bada bing, bada boom. We got this sucker here. And so letter equals string. Yeah, that's fine. So if underneath, of course, this is in Python. If letter is not it is not equal to this, and continue, right? Actually, I'm gonna do cleaner code so I don't have so much indentation. I saw somebody on TikTok doing it like this. Basically, if everything gonna be put as an indentation, you can just put the opposite. And if letter equals that, then hold. Then just return, I guess. I don't know if that'll break the for loop though, but let's give it a shot. Otherwise, and I don't need all this indentation in that case. Let's keep it there. One line. Boom. Otherwise, continue. So, sorry. It's another variable here. Let array equal value. Actually, that's gonna go outside of the for loop. Array. And let's use shortcuts. It's just like gonna use those again. Boom. Let's give it a nice little colon at the end of it, and there you go. Yeah, okay, and then otherwise, letter. Was I array? Can I use push? Is that too much of a pre-made function? Push letter. Close that. Close here, and then I guess just console log that hope. Console log the array. Might need to stringify that again, I know, but we'll see. And let's go ahead and test it out. Remove the classic. Hello Galaxy. Alright, let's open it up a little bit here. Is it always hello world? Let's run that. Oh, of course, it would help if we save. And I'm not printing. Oh, I still indented it anyways. Look at that. Sarros, Mr. Sarros sounds like Sasson. Hello, man, or woman. How you doing? Welcome. Just to catch you up, we're just doing a couple practice problems, get the coding juices flowing before we go ahead and jump into. We're actually creating our portfolio today for our Shopify store. Let's see what you got, bro. Continue is the word I'm looking for. Okay. Why did it double wrap this here? Let's see. Cool. I'm doing pretty good. Sweet. You a professional developer or aspiring to be so? I need that statement. So. All right, so I know I could push it out, but this if statement is throwing me off apparently. Equals a space. Oh, server return. Let's try to continue, but nonetheless, that shouldn't stop it. Should be getting something back first. Yeah, I'm gonna get empty array. All right. Oh wait, need 2 equal signs. Let's see how that works out. Boom. Okay, here we go. There, I printed it, but I guess I printed it as an array. Let's get that back into a string. Yeah, I think you need what's his face? The way of the code. I think you need 2 equal signs, bro, on the if statement. I've been doing some JavaScript for a couple years, enough to get around, but far from actually knowing what I'm doing. I hear ya. So much to learn. Yeah, no kidding, bro. No kidding. So we went through a 8-month course. Like, it's not really a boot camp. It's 8 months. Wait a minute. Console log. Oh, space. Hello world. I went through a little boot camp. Learned all the full stack kind of mumbo jumbo. But nowhere near enough, I feel, right now to actually go get a job. Especially now without knowing some of these more complicated algorithms. But actually right now we're actually taking a course. I jumped into another course, but it's kind of at your own pace. It's an online thing. Where's he at? Here we go. Primo. Sorry for the vertigo here that I might be causing. Boom, Freemo. It's a pretty cool course online. It takes you from 0 to hero as far as becoming a freelance Shopify developer. So that's what we're working towards. Alright, so I got printed out as an array. Let's see if I can oh, and you keep it up too, man. You keep it up too. I'm actually on here Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. local time till 9 a.m. And then I get off for the kids, and I usually hop back on like an hour or two later for a few more hours. But that part isn't guaranteed. But I'm definitely hopping on Monday through Friday in case you want to join in, man. Have some good conversation, good music, learn something maybe. Who knows? All right, so let's see. Okay, cool. So that's that. Let me see if I can get it into a string instead. Let's see here. That new string, like you had it, equal. Boom, boom, right? An empty space. So if it equals that, just continue. Otherwise, do I even need this else statement? Whatever, I'll leave it in there. I don't want to mess around with it too much. Instead of doing that, let's change this. I'll just blot it out. And then new string equals new string. Oops. New string plus letter. Right. And instead of console logging that, let's console log the new string. Save. Do the thing. Julie, do the thing. And there it is, my friend. We have just figured out Blue's Clues. Oh, and thank you so much for following. I really do appreciate it. What? I got 2 new followers today. What's up, Mr. Amsterdam Mol Clary. Amsterdam Mol Clary. All right, fair enough. Nice to meet you guys today. For real. A pleasure. All right, cool. We figured it out. So yeah, you got it too. It's looking like, all right, string equals that, else console log that. I guess you didn't need to put it back into a new string, did you? Suppose not. But hey, we figured it out. So I'm going to wrap this up and continue with today's task. We probably invested too much time into this anyways, but this is good things to know. Good things to know. By the way, we're doing a coding challenge with the way of the code that's in the chat. Maybe we can do that as a new daily thing, you know, hop on. Whoever wants to do a challenge with us, we'll hop on, we'll do it all together. We can share our screens, or not, you know, and do it together. Just an idea. Now we all get better together. Hey, what's up, new folks? All right, so where I left off was working on my site here. Let me bring the music down just a tad. I feel like I'm trying to talk over my own music. At least in my headset, right? So this is what I got so far, right? Kevin Cruz, that is I. Shopify Developer, awesome. Boom, scroll down, you see what I can do. Let me refresh, you can see the little kind of comes in here. Watch. Yes, I am building this website using Webflow. Boom. Scroll down, boom. Things I can do for you. Boom. Here's how my works. I only have 2 Shopify stores built, so this part when I edit it is going to be a little not as robust as this or building, but you know, that's okay. A little bit about me. Gotta get a picture of me in there. A little call to action. Let's talk. Boom. And I'm trying, as a keyword here, to make this about me page. A fact page, because it doesn't come already in the theme. And boy, I've been struggling to get this thing here to work smoothly. The drop down. Now I could have just exported the code and probably would have been a lot faster to do it outside of here. But I figured I'm already using this service. I might as well do everything I can within its designer to kind of minimize the amount of code that I have to edit. Because obviously they have a certain way of annotating their notes and everything, and I have a completely different way. So just to kind of keep the code uniform, if at all possible, right? And something tells me they probably know a little bit more about website design than I do. So, all right, cool. So yesterday I got to the point where I can get this to smoothly come down, but because I'm actually making it hide and disappear, I think that might be one of the triggers on why it is that I'm having a hard time. Let's see here. So instead of doing this hide show, Von Rent McCullough McKnight. Oh, what's up, man? Let me see on YouTube. Let's see what we got cooking on YouTube. What's going on, Mr. McKnight on YouTube? I don't know what you're trying to tell me here. He says Von Rent. Yeah, nonetheless, man, welcome. It's good to have you. I think that guy just dropped in and then he left this. He left this in my chat. Let me show you. I'm also streaming on YouTube, guys, in case you want to go find me there as well. Rent. And anybody know what this means? He just dropped that in the chat and then just 86 on out of there. All right, cool. So onwards. So whenever this pops down, is it because I do the hide and then the show? What if I just got rid of that? 'Cause this is a drop down already. Oh, so was the other thing, but the other thing was maintaining its relativity. Hey, the way of the code. Let me get your opinion on something real quick. For this drop down here, and you know, Saros. If you can help me out too, I'd love your 2 cents on this as well. So when it comes to yeah, and dismiss. All right. So when it comes to my FAQ section on my website, right? What do you think would look better? Something more along these lines that just brings everything else down and it stays open like that, so you know the content is relative, or something that is just a pop-up window, something that's absolute. So it'll open up, but it'll cover up all the other questions at the same time. You know what? I just answered my own question. Something like this, because we don't want to cover up all the questions at the same time. If it was a menu option, then obviously it makes sense to cover up. Cool. Thanks, guys. So supportive. Therefore, go ahead and get rid of this. Get rid of this. See if that fixes the issue. Yep, I think it might. So boom, I make that disappear. And then come down here to drop down close to and make this disappear, because I never want to make the content disappear, right? I'll go for the one on the left. Thank you, my friend. So it's showing up smoothly. It's not disappearing smoothly. It's just disappearing. Let's find out why. So I have okay, yeah, so I have 0 height by 0.3 ease, yeah, 0 opacity by 0.3 seconds ease, and scale. And it's all for the drop down content that it'll do all that for. So I failed to see why it is that it's not smoothly going away. Let me think real quick. So it slides out. Now, once it does slide out, it goes from 0 size, 0 content, or 0 scale, or a smaller scale, and 0 opacity. And in 0.3 seconds, it has full size, has full scale, and has full opacity. And that's the state that I leave it in. So then when I come down here for the close animation, same thing, drop down content is what I'm playing with. I say take it back down to 0 within 0.3 seconds. And then end. So why are you playing with me? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I was following a tutorial kind of sort of, and I was doing that one. This time around, let's see something here. Okay, this block took up 50%. I'm gonna make this a flex box. Boom. This div box is going to take okay. That's the div. Okay, cool. So this drop down right here is gonna take up 50% of the width. Where we at, man? Where we at? Max width 50%, baby. Oh yeah. Here we go, baby. Hey. Oh, not 4%, 50%, please. I'm going to align him to the left. Let's get it. What happens if you only set the opacity down to 0? We'll give it a shot here. I believe it'll just... What do you mean, like in the initial swing down, or when it's going back up? Because we have two different animations that I was playing around with. Elaborate, please. Where the hell is the... It used to be like right here with layout. No. No, I don't need a tutorial for Flexbox. I just need more options to align it, to position it. Yeah. The animation out. Okay. I'll give it a roll. Alright, whatever. So the other thing I was trying to do is create a second one. Okay, there you go, worked. We just needed a second item. Cool. I swear there used to be more options for aligning. More than just this. But whatever. I don't know, because it goes over here. Yeah, it is what it is. So you were asking, because right now they're both acting kind of the same way, right? It just disappears. Show up, no problem. But it doesn't want to reverse the animation for me. And so come over here to this guy. Boom. I'm actually going to, let me see something here. I'm actually going to just delete this one because I'm gonna start getting confused. I'm gonna rename this guy as the first one. And now I'm gonna create a new one. And that'll be number 2. And this is the one we're messing with over here. All right. It says it's possible that one of the other ones break the animation action, but I'm not sure. Using opacity only might be a good way to check. It's a good idea. Let's go ahead and get rid of scale. We don't care about scale. And the size shouldn't matter anyways because we're closing it down, so it's gonna have a 0 size regardless. Let's go ahead and save that and let's give it a shot. It opens up fine. And the reason it stops working is because now the size is already a certain size and I never reverted it back to the original size. So the first animation trying to change the size isn't working, which is fine, but for now at least. Okay, let's break this down step by step. Let's create a new one. Let's just dupe this one, and it's open close too. So we're going to use a second one for the open and a second one for the close as well. We're going to go in there. We're pretty much just delete everything. Boom. Save. Same goes over here, and let's just see what it looks like without no options. Save. Boom, no option selected. I can't even see it. That's weird. That's gonna be another problem in the future. Yep, I can only put up one thing at a time. Kind of have an idea how to fix it though. But anyways. I'm using job content too. And I got no animation in there. So honestly, it's a little weird that it's not doing anything, but let's give it a whirl here. So, for the drop down content, let's just start with size. Size. We are going to start with a size of 0 or height. Boom. And by the time we're done opening it, we're gonna have a size of 100%. 100. It's gonna take us 0.3 seconds, and we're gonna use the ease method, or whatever, and save. Let's give that a whirl. I wasn't working the first time. Yeah, I'm gonna hide this element altogether. I don't know if it's like jacking up the other one, maybe because of the classes. I don't know. Man, I really thought I was gonna wake up today and just knock this one out. I thought I figured it out last night. And hiding one hid the other. Why? Oh, because I'm hiding the freaking class. That's crazy. Whatever, we'll work with both of them then. So the question here remains, why is it that at all? Won't do it here, but once I open it up there, then it will show up. Why? Why indeed? There it is. It's the exact copy of the other, except for the animations, of course. So let's see what's going on in the animations. We're just actually gonna delete this class altogether. I'm gonna use this one. I'm confusing myself here. This one just to work, sort of. Make sure animations are set to only children with this class. They are. Check it out. Let's see the second one. Drop that open. Okay, cool. Boom. Only children with this class. With this class. Only siblings with this class, and only parents with this class. But yeah, only children with this class. So for each one, I don't know if I'm gonna have to make a separate. I'll have to mess around with it. See what's up. Maybe place them in complete separate containers each time. Not sure. But anyway, so we have content. We're starting from 0 height to 100% height. 1.3 seconds. 2 things in the drop down content. It was working before. Why no text? That's the real question. Why no text? Let me see something over here. Drop down wrapper. Y'all working just fine. So why are we having that issue over here then? Down there I don't even have anything for y'all, do I? Well, I guess no, I do, don't I? And that's why you guys are working. Even though it's not doing any of these things here. Man, what a confusing system. Jeez Louise. That's what, if I can figure that out soon, I'm just gonna have to code it myself. Okay. Drop down content. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just give it a hide show. Why not? Oh, oops. Let's go ahead and select the content. Nope, not here. This content. Hide show. And I guess the initial is going to be hidden, I suppose. Oh, you know what? I think I might have an idea of why it's not showing anything. Yeah, before I do this, save that. I'm gonna come over here, and this is inline. Fine. What about the content? Is it hidden? Yeah. Overflow hidden. We want to do visible. Actually, no. And the positioning relative. All right, let's save that. Jeez. Oh, it's hidden over here. That's why. Boom. There we go. Sure, whatever. Stand by. I mean, sheesh, it looks nice. Oh, you have different settings on yours. But I don't know why it takes me having to change it over here or click over here for it to start, you know, responding over there. ¿Por qué? Well, easy way to find out is just to let's stare and compare. What's going on here? All right. Overflow visible, position static. Is it positioning? No. The visibility, it's all the same. They're both flex boxes or inline, I should say. Inline block. Scroll down here a little bit. We need to figure this out. They got the same classes, paragraph short, drop down text. These two are essentially the exact same thing, except that this handsome fella here is setting the size, the scale, and the opacity. Which again, that's just an animation. That shouldn't stop it. Alright, I don't need all three of those things, you know what I mean? I don't need all of those things to be successful. Or I shouldn't, at least. And to close it, I'm just gonna take the size. And bring it it back down to 0. 3. I don't need it. I mean, yeah, I'll get your opinion, bro. Why not, right? Height 0. Let's see some. Pero por qué? I think I know why. It's because this one is using a different setting. So with a drop down open 1, it starts the state at a hidden, anything within that class as hidden. So it automatically makes this hidden. So it doesn't matter how many times I click on it. Now that it's working, now it opens and closes. Let me just put that to the test real quick. Hey, I'm gonna come over here. Boom, boom, boom. Select you to be the second option as well. Let there be no confusion in the code. Oh, now they're both acting the same. Oh man. So the reason I want a fact, man, is because without it, I feel like the website's a little lacking. Check it out. So I have just this. Okay, my name, information, cool beans. Hang on, let me bring this down just a little bit. I scroll down. What I can do for you, awesome. My works, great. You know, that's gonna look pretty. Which I should work on that first, I guess. About me. And if I didn't have the facts, I would have nothing else on my website. It feels a little lacking. And since I'm over here, you know, comparing myself to this guy's site, who for all intents and purposes is as expert as I am. He has the intro, what he does, cool beans. He's got his works. All right, cool. He's got this cool call to action here. Just fills up more space, right? His about me is beefier. Never mind, I don't know what to add pictures to mine. Okay. Then he has education, work experience. I don't think I have anything really significant to contribute to this, so I'm not even going to include this. And then he has a facts as well. And these are, you know, decent questions that somebody might be asking. And then the footer. So it just feels like I need more on my page, you know what I mean? But I mean, I'm open to opinions here. You know what? Yeah, I could. I was gonna say I already have a contact me page. You know what I mean? But why not include it at the bottom as well? Which in that case, I just completely get rid of this page. No, I'll leave this here. Just to have another page that they can navigate to. Shit, what did I do? Return. Yeah, this pack is taking me. I won't give up on it though. I'm gonna do it. Let me see what this contact me page looks like. It's blue. It's just like a I don't know why I need the same footer on a contact page. Whatever. I think I can just remove all this and just leave it as this part down here. I'm curious. Okay, footer card. I'm curious if I header container. Sure. This blue thing here. Is that just the background for it? Yep. Okay. I could do something similar. Oh, looks like it's just you and me in the stream again there. Way of the code. Don't like this song. Oh, I think I got enough tomatoes. Draw. Reach 10 followers. Oh, new achievement today. Shut up. He's like, why couldn't I get this to work? And I'm so close too. I want to try one more thing. I'm not going to give up on this FAQ question section. The space age is upon us. What a weird song.
Can my machine talk to your machine?
What are we listening to?
Can my machine talk to your machine?
That's working as intended for the most part. I just don't need all of them to open up. Yeah, share this class, right? All elements. Why would it be all elements? No. Only children with this class.
Can my machine talk to your machine?
Let's see how well that works. Okay. I think it works now.
Can my machine talk to your machine?
Only children with this class, please. I think something was off there. Open. This for the download text. drop down text. But then close. Just for drop down content. What if I did that for drop down? No, if I wanted that, what the fuck is going on here? Drop down text, save. All right. So close has to stay content. And the open has to be, don't know why I got switched to drop down content, bro. Come on. Sweet. So not only lets me open up one thing at a time, but we're getting somewhere though. All right. Now let's do something. Copy paste right next to it. Yep. It brings both of them down. I want it to only bring down how can I get it to only bring down one? I'm actually going to delete this whole section because clearly having it with columns isn't really working out anyways. And then I'm just gonna have a section here inside this container. I want to do a grid, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I'm gonna do a grid. Let's see, do a grid. It's gonna be no, this goes here. There you go. Okay. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? All right. So only 2 columns, and how many rows am I gonna have? I really can't remember. You get over here. No new viewers. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just have 7 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. One FR each, please. Yes, please. Gap about 16. Yeah, that works. That works for me. Dead ending those, and so oh, I guess that works. I don't really know what areas do, but not a problem. Cool. And why is it you'll have margins? That I do. Do that at 0. That kind of works. All right. I'm actually getting places here. Whoa. Oh, because I have all these other sections. Cool. Actually, I don't need this div block no more. Boom. Disappear. That's 2 divs in it. Fact left, fact right. And make those positions absolute. That's what I'll do. Boom. I'm glad I looked that up. Alright, so I got a container. But you got rid of that div for no reason. Put both of these suckers back in there. Yep. Boom, boom. Let's go ahead and get rid of this grid. Within this div, I'm gonna make 2 more divs. Back left, back right. Another div. Call it back. Oh, you know me, I like that things pulled out the right way. Back left. Boom. And there I put you handsome devil. Sure. And I'm gonna get another div. Nope. And I'm gonna call this div back right. I need to find a way to put both the YouTube chat and the Twitch chat on the stream at the same time. Fact right, yeah. So this is a flex box. Set her side by side. And then you. Sure thing, sure thing. Does it affect each other still? Of course it does, but that's okay. We're gonna make that work.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
Now for you. I want your position to be absolute. I guess maybe relative or fixed. No. Let me actually change what this says as well, so to differentiate what's on top really. Yeah. How do you charge for projects? Sure. So wifey, if you're watching this, thank you for the inspiration. Boom. That was done. Oh. Uh-huh. I'm getting into the canvas only after user scrolls past it. No, not fixed either. Absolute. So if I left is that.
Social animals that can't live alone. But you can live pretty well by yourself. I tell you, instead of feeling alone in a group, it's better to have real solitude all by yourself.
All right, so I guess let's give this guy.
I just got out of a 5-year relationship. I just didn't see myself marrying him or being longer.
No.
It was late at night, and we took a walk.
Go on the left there. Okay, great. What if I make you go on the bottom right? What would that look like? Closer to what I'm looking for. Yep. I want it to look like on a tablet. This is where grid could come in handy. So the moment we hit tablet view, let me finish customizing it here. I see they have no respect for margins.
We went real slow
Whoa.
because he knew that when we got back to the car, I'd just drive him home and that would be it. And that was it. And I haven't talked to him since.
Okay. I guess, kind of, sort of, maybe. The display is blocked, not absolute. Okay. I mean, right. Okay, just go back to that being relative and this being relative. Oh, so that's there. Because they're relative and bring everything down. What if I just left it static? Both of y'all. I'm gonna finish putting things in them. Let's see what I can do to make the Mac better. Hey, welcome new viewer. We're here at Coding Desk today. We're actually just creating our portfolio website to go ahead and showcase all of our Shopify stores and products that we can create for other people. This is my website so far. I'm just trying to get this FAQ section to work like this FAQ section. Look at this. I just want it to open up and stay open. At the very minimum right now, I want it to want what happens on one side. I don't want it to affect what happens on the other side. You know what I mean? I'm having a hard time because it always just pulls everything else down, and it doesn't stay open either. Which I have some ideas on how to fix that, but for now, you know, one problem at a time. Alright, where should I tackle that problem now? Do that transform. We got width margin that are up. I don't see no position. And this is the question. Display block. And then we got our enter. Then it's display flex. Line item center. All right. One thing that comes to mind is maybe it's because it's natural drop down, is that it has disappeared if I click somewhere else. Yeah. If I went and made it something else. Let's see here. Let's add a new div. And set it back left, right? Okay. And give it a class of drop down. Boom. Actually, let me see something. I actually just got rid of this class. Yeah, so happens. Okay. So let's bring that class back there. No, this is the no, I'll just leave it like that. Let's go ahead and create in there a new div element. All right, name it drop down toggle. Which I wonder if I get rid of that over here. Will that make it? That stays open. Nope. The same thing there. And a new div block in there. Probably block 4 just for shits and giggles. I might change that. And in there, I'm gonna copy you. In fact, just the whole div block 4, I'm just gonna copy you entirely. Copy, paste. Thank you. What's the width here? 50%. I don't know, you could take up 100%, I think. Alright, cool. Looks like that fixed this guy. Great. So now I have the icon in there. Boom. Ready to go. And I'm just gonna copy you. And also put it into another toggle. There goes into just drop down. Boom. Wait. Copy you. What the fuck? Alright. With 100%. Does that make you happy? Let me move on. Yes, thank you. Now copy this here. Hey, what's up, Thurman? Welcome back, man. Welcome back. Day's going well. Actually, I'm about to hop off in the next few minutes to take my kids to the daycare. And then I'll hop back on. Yeah, it's been good, man. It's been good. How about yours? You just getting up? No, you're over on the other side of the world, aren't you? Whoa. They're all behaving the same way. Where the hell did this guy come from? Where the hell is this guy coming from? Oh. Man, I don't need that. I wonder why it's not aligning the same way, but 2:30 p.m. here. Day's going not well, not bad, just going. Hey, sometimes you need those plateaus before progressing further, I guess. But at least it's not going bad, which is nice. So I have do want this copy. I want to paste it there. Boom. No, not the entire drop down. Just the freaking. Can't I just copy this? Okay, you're telling me I can't? That's fine then. I'll create this myself. Thank you very much. Jeez. The block is within. Yeah, that's fine. Never drop down content. Boom. And within there, I'm gonna paste a short paragraph. See, I can just do that. Thank you. Why was that so complicated? Auto isn't an option. No. Let's just give it 100% then. Okay, so why is that for everybody else? It works just fine. But for me, you want to give me problems. Got no funny business here. Position static, sure. That's not even the right guy I'm trying to select on. Max with 100%. Yeah, that works for me. 100. Yep, that works for me too. So right now, Thurman, I'm stuck on trying to get these freaking trying to get a frequently asked questions section similar to this guy's page. I like this guy's page. So the features that I needed is to open and stay opened when I click away. That's what I'm trying to work on now. And also, when you open it up, for it to not mess around with what's on this side over here. Simple enough, you would think. But I created an actual drop down that works pretty much how I want it to. But because it's a drop down menu, the moment I click away, it goes away. So I'm recreating it here, but instead of drop down, I'm just gonna make, divs that hide and show as you click on it. You know what I mean? Which is fine. I just don't understand why this fella here thinks he could just, like, what are you doing, bro? Gotta sir, do 5,000 pixels is your max width. He still wants to stay within his like little box. I don't get why. Like, I'm just comparing it to the other boxes that have the same classes, same padding, same max width. We have the same everything, therefore, why am I being restricted? Turn up the percentages, turn that to 100. Nothing. It's not the heights. Oh, it's literally the width. Mm-hmm. Oh. Let's open one up. Exactly. I mean, I have an idea, but my ideas aren't working, you know what I mean? So look, this has the exact same paragraph short, drop down text. Boom. Paragraph short, down drop down text. Yet this one has a much wider freaking width than this guy. And the parent is drop down. This guy's parent is, oh, now it won't even show me. Maybe the problem lies in the drop down. Let's take a look. See, this drop down, this drop down, this drop down, this drop down. Is that where my problem lies? Maybe. Nope. 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 So everything looks great here. I'm gonna flex box it. Like, No flex on a flex box is gonna work. No, that's gonna work. All right. Whatever, say none. Just keep it at that. Oh. Mm-hmm. Position, I don't think it's it either. Scroll down. This is typography. This is background. Border radiuses and other stuff. Effects. That's not in here. Let's go down one more child. But it's not in here either. So it's a, I don't know if it's a paragraph. Content. Let's see. Max width. Oh, sorry. None. Whatever. Whatever. I got it to work now. Cool. Now let's go ahead and add some animations. This bus should go by pretty quick. I think I got animations part down. Let me actually go ahead and change the text here, just so I know I can differentiate. Boom. And I'm gonna have to change that anyways, but just so I get some placeholder text in there. Boom. Oh, we got another viewer. What's up, new guy or gal? Welcome. We're customizing, we're creating a portfolio page to showcase all of our Shopify projects that we've created to make a beautiful presentation for a client. Since, you know, your website, your portfolio is a direct representation of what you can do. Saw somebody's website earlier. Let me see if I can pull it up again. And I bring it up just as constructive criticism here. Where is it at? I can't remember what was his name. I'm not about to click it randomly. But it looked like he was in the middle of a game of Fallout. Like, it just had that kind of styling. And, well, unless that's your niche, that's not going to appeal to most people, right? So I want something that's pretty. All right, cool. So drop down. Let's go ahead and give it a trigger. Animate while element scrolls through viewport. No. Scroll into view. Animate when element scrolls into view. That's good to know how to do that. But no. Just, I guess when you click. Oh, I just had an idea. Let me see. If I do this, start an animation, drop down open. And for close, start an animation, drop down close. We actually customized these drop down animations ourselves not too long ago. I mean, it should work now. Yep. And it stays open. Turn up. All right. Now that that's done, I think I know a way to fix this one so it does just that. Let's see. Yep. Yep. So I had it as a drop down animation. I just want to change it to when you click on and when you click off on animation. Let's check it out. Boom, I can open up him. No. It looks like I'm gonna have to do the whole manual thing. Let me see. Let me tweak it one last time. Do I gotta hit save or something? Oh, it's because I still have this other one on. Close that one. Open, and it stays open. Yes, let's go. That's a clap right there, my friend. Which means after all the hard work I did to create this drop down, you can be deleted. That's in the fact left, so my friends over here have fact right. You are gonna follow the same thing. Actually, I can pretty much. Can I get rid of these ones? Yeah, I'll get rid of it later. Because I don't know if I'm still going to want it. Down, drop down, close. Finito, finito, finito. So I come over here. Boom. Boom. Yes, sir. Now what I want to change next on the list of features. Right, I read your message again. I thought I read, I have no idea what puberty would be. The little things. Cool. So this stays open. Beautiful. I don't want it to affect this one, which I already have an idea how to do. Let me see something. So no matter if these are open or closed. Oh, it does push this down. These are all within the same. You got a fact section, and then you got let's talk footer section. All right, well, this is a stopping point for me, actually. We'll draw another tomato. We've got 4 tomatoes completed today. Hooray for us. That is a clap for us. Sir. And I'm going to be hopping off. Oh, it looks like Thurman left already. Yes, I'm hopping off. I'll be hopping back on. Actually, I got a haircut at 10. So I'll be hopping on probably around noon my local time, UTC -5. So we want to hop back on, and nobody else is in here, so I guess I won't discuss what we're doing in the mornings anymore. What did I say? Oh no, you're still. I guess the other guy left. My fault. But yeah, hey, listen, in the mornings at 6 a.m. when we first get on, we start actually doing coding challenges, like for the first 30 to 60 minutes, just to get our juices flowing. So if you want to hop on and join us, we could do it all together. Anyways, with that being said, God bless, my friend. I'll be streaming again for sure on Monday. Okay, take it easy. In case I don't see you again, have a great weekend. Is my camera not working? Why did my camera stop working? I'm over here like looking at the camera, talking to it, saying nice things, and it wasn't even on. Things I gotta work on. Anyways, peace out, family.